This is math using the self-learning module for quarter 7. Isurat mo ng pangalan bago kita magpuon. So this week's module is about subtracting mentally one-digit numbers from two-digit minuends without regrouping using appropriate strategies. So ano na lang to, technique para in case magustuhan nyo, you can use it. But if not, so if you have your own style na mas maikli ang oras para mag-isip ng answer but still with accurate or with correct answer, pwedeng-pwede. So mag-mental subtraction kita. So still, may number chart para you will be still familiar with the number sequencing para ang na din, automatic na din. So yan may this is a number chart, subtraction chart na pwede mong mapag-aralan. Pero dito lang, pwede lang tingnan, but you can't have it pag may mga exercise activities na kailangan mo ng pag-isipan. So, ano lang to? Parang review or para hindi mahirap kaagad ang pag-subtract. Okay, so pag 100 minus 99 equals 1 or 100 minus 1 equals 99. So, may may pattern. So, halimbawa is ano ba pwede? Yan dyan, 100 minus 9. So, this is 100. So, 100 minus 9. So, pagtatapat-tapat. So, this is 100 minus 9. So, where does it meet? Where do these two numbers meet? It's 91. Next naman, 90 minus 6. So, this is 90 minus 6. So, using this number chart. So, the answer is 84. 80 minus 5. So, 80 minus 5. The answer is 75. So, parang siya. Easily, you can get the answers. But for mga lang siya. So, from 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 lang. Okay. Now, let's have this one, the learning activities. So, anong difference kang 27 minus 9? Anong difference kang 28 minus 9? Kung anong tan difference. Ang problema nito, when it comes to two-digit number, etong 27 minus 9, so pag 7 minus 9, hindi siya pwede. So, automatically ma-borrow ka. So, ang gagawin, ma-borrow, ito, 1 will be left here. Tapos, medyo mas matatagalan. So, there are techniques that will be shown to you para mas madali. And then, eventually, you can use this para sa mental math. Okay. So, ang nangyari, kaipuhan isusurat. So, you need to write this down. Yung 17 minus 9 equals ilan? So, 8. Tapos, bring down 1. And then, this one, 28 minus 10, two-digit number, tapos, using two-digit number pag sa subtrahen naman. So, 8 minus 0, madali na lang, 8. And then, 2 minus 1, 1. So, which is easier? Alin ba ang mas madali? Even both have the same answer, 18, pero alin yung mas madaling isolve? So, this one. Diba? Kasi you don't need to regroup. So, what happens? We are going to use that in order to get answers faster. Okay. Arin sa duwang madaling kuanon. So, ito na yon yung 28 minus 10. Madaling kuanon ang difference ng 28 minus 10 dahil ang digit number kan subtrahe nagtapos sa 0. So, any number na ang subtrahend is 0, the answer is always the same. So, di ba, yun ang niya sa subtraction. So, ang number na nagtatapos sa 0 inaapod na friendly numbers. So, take note, friendly numbers. Ano ang mga friendly numbers? Those numbers that end with 0. So, kaya kanina doon sa first page, we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and also 100. So, lahat yon ends with 0. Those are called friendly numbers. Okay, bakit friendly numbers? Madali siya sa pag-solve. So, like for this one, lahat yan may subtrahend na friendly number. So, 23 minus 10. So, kahit na hindi ka na magsulat, automatic, pagtingin pa lang, alam mo na, ibababa ang 3 kasi ang 0. So, if you take a look at this one, 23 minus 10, hindi ka na magko-compute kasi any number deducted with 0, so the same number. So, 3, and then, madali man lang 2 minus 1 is 1. So, somehow automatic ng answer kasi madali siya. May mga 0 lang sa subtrahen. So, hindi na kailangan maggamit pa ng fingers. Okay, so, magiging madali ito kung in mental subtraction, in mental math. Okay, paano naman kapag ganun? Yung 27 minus 9. So, ang gagawin natin for technique number 1 is we're going to use the friendly numbers. It means we're going to make use of those numbers ending with 0. So, how? Okay, arakani. For task 1, pag mental subtraction gamit ang compensation strategy. So, using the friendly numbers, gagamitin natin itong compensation strategy. So, ibig sabihin, may gagawin tayo with the given. So, halimbawa, you need to regroup, tapos, kay Puhan, kailangan mas madaling pag-isipan yung numbers. Okay, we are going to make use of the friendly numbers. Okay, we have here example 27 minus 9. Okay, what do we do is we have to make the subtrahend as friendly number. So, subtrahend. Alin dito ang subtrahend? 9 ang subtrahend. Gagawin nating friendly number. Anong pinakamalapit na friendly number sa 9? Is it 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60? Anong pinakamalapit? It's 10. Okay. Para siya, so, anong gagawin natin sa 9 para maging 10? Ilan ang idadagdag? Okay, kailangan ng 1. So, 9, 10. Isang step na lang para maging 10. So, dadagdagan siya ng 1 para maging friendly number. And whatever number you added, so may kasabay na siyang addition, so dapat hindi na malilito. Whatever you added on the subtrahend para siya maging friendly number should also be done doon sa taas. So, ibig sabihin, after you identified paano siya maging friendly number, kung anong idadagdag sa baba, you also have to do it sa minuend. So, therefore, eto na, 27 plus 1, naging na siyang 28. 9 plus 1, naging na siyang 10. So, see? Mas madali na siya. 8 minus 0 is 8. 2 minus 1 is 1. So, itong 18 na to will have the same answer with 27 minus 9 equals 18. So, pareho lang ang answer nila. So, saan ka pa? So, dito ka na sa gagawin mong mas madali yung isosolve mong 2-digit number with 1-digit number na kailangan i-regroup but you have a short time to think for the answer. So, yan ang gigibuhon sa compensation strategy. So, technique number 1 is compensation strategy with the help of the friendly number. Okay, pag sinabing compensated, so pareho siya binigyan. Ano po? Pareho pinagbigyan. Okay, so that's why we have 27 minus 9 is 18. Okay, another example is 24 minus 7. So, naisulat na siya. So, take note, dapat ones magkaka-align and then tens magkaka-align. Okay, so 24 minus 7. So, we have here the subtrahend, 7. Okay, anong pinakamalapit na friendly number? For 7, it's 10. So, para maging 10, ilan pa ba? How many more para siya maging 10? So, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, 3. So, we have here, para siya maging friendly number na 10, we need to add plus, we need to add 3. So, kaya may plus 3. Tapos, kung anong inad sa baba, that's also what you have to do doon sa taas, sa minuend. So, kaya 24 plus 3 is 27. 7 plus 3 is 10. And then, you can now solve them. So, 7 minus 0, 7. 2 minus 1, 1. So, kahit na hindi mo na isulat, sa tingin pa lang, kaya-kaya nang masasagutan. So, this is what you have to do for gibuhon mo 1. So, there is an example for number 1. Ikaw naman ang gagawa. So, take note. Step 1, dun ka muna sa subtrahend. So, ano ang kulang sa 8 para maging friendly number? Anong kulang sa 6 para maging friendly number? And then, anong kulang sa 9 para maging friendly number? And so is with 8. Okay, after you identified the number needed para siya maging friendly number, lagyan dyan sa parehong blank. So, anong inad sa baba, ganun din sa taas. Like this one, plus 2 plus 2. So, and then, gawin na. Then, that's the time you can get the answer. Don't forget to write it in the box. So, lahat ng blanks, lagyan po ng answer. So, pause this part. Pause page 4 para masagutan before we proceed with another technique. Okay, sa sunod naman, task 2, magpag-mental subtraction gamit ang subtraction part strategy. So, previously, ang ginawa doon is compensation strategy. This time, we call this now a subtraction part strategy. Okay, so we have a number to solve. So, 23 minus 8. So, diba? It needs regrouping. Pero, there's another kung gusto nyo magganyan-ganyan, halimbawa 3, 13, ito 1. So, medyo mahaba pa ano. So, there is another technique. So, let's look at the steps. May minuend kitang 23 as in subtrahen na 8. So, tama. Merong minuend na 23, merong subtrahen na 8. Subtracta ang 3, 1 sa 23. Ang minuend na 23, okay, so, ito may ano na to. Dapat, you know the previous topic before you can use this subtraction part strategy. Okay, erase ko muna to. And then, let's go back to yung pen. Okay, so we have here minuend na 23. So, in 23, if you're going to separate yung tens and then ones, meron tayong 20 at saka 3 for 23. Okay, subtracta ang 3 1 sa 23. So, ito ang ones. 3 ones. So, you need to subtract it with 23. So, 3 minus 3 is 0. Ito naman ay 2. And then, subtracta, kaya 23 minus 3 equals 1. Ito na nabanggit. Saan yun? Okay, nandito na. Isubtract naman ang 3 sa subtrahen na 8. So, nasaan yung 8? Andito. So, 8, yung subtrahen natin, gagamitin din yung 3. Same. So, 8 minus 3 is 5. Tapos, isubtractaan 5 kan 8 sa 20. And therefore, ito naman, gagawin natin to as 20 minus 5. So, 20 minus 5, mas madali na lang, babawasan lang, the answer is 15. So, that is what you have to do using the subtraction part strategy. So, whatever yung ones doon sa sa minuend, that will be also used para masubtract doon sa subtrahen. Okay. So, yan ang gagawin. Okay, I'll give another example. Halimbawa, ano ba? Halimbawa, 2-digit number, it's 24 minus 7. So, yan ang given. So, sa 24, ano nga ang 24? 20 and then 4. So, we have here yung sa ones na 4. This will be used as our subtrahend. So, starting with 24. So, 24 minus 4 equals 20. Ito namang subtrahend. So, 7 minus 4 equals 3. Okay. So, ang mangyayari, is 23 minus 7, 23 minus 3, it's 17. So, tama ba? Oo. So, 17. So, ang gagibon lang si 1, sinahali. Okay. So, that's it for this one using the subtraction part strategy. Or simply pwede mong palan, maski di ka na mag-deduct nigdiyo, ta kinukaama lang si 1. So, 20 na siya. Ito na, 20. Tapos, yung subtrahend will be deducted with the same, yung ones naman. So, that is for technique number 2. And this is what you have to do for this one. So, 23 minus, si ones naman, equals blank. And then, paano gagamitin ang blank? Parang may kulang. It should be 23 so, blank, blank, blank. Okay. Sige. Pwede. So, you just follow this para masagutan ang nandito sa baba. So, let's have, isulat natin maayos. Example. For gibuhon mo 2. Halimbawa, itong 24 minus 7. So, ang mangyayari equals minus 4 tapos 3. So, sa inhali, si ones, si hinali, should be 24. So, kinuha yung 1 sa 24, na yan, and then 3, si answer sa 7 minus 3. 7 minus 4 is 3. Tapos, ang mangyayari, 20 na, minus, so 7 minus 4 equals 3. The answer is 17. So, ini si mga blank na gagamiton. So, you need 6 blanks to fill in para makumpleto ang gibuhon mo 2. So, that's it. We're done with math. So, kompletohon lang tong module, but it doesn't mean na yan ang palagi mong technique. So, the technique is it depends on what is easiest for you. So, we're done. Goodbye.